Hello all. It might be a good news or a bad news, I don't know. But from today I am going to start anthropology current affairs. Periodically, not on daily basis, but lecture basis. Whenever I get a correct content to discuss about anthropology current affairs, I will be discussing the anthropology current affairs classes. So today onwards it will be the lecture 1, current affairs lecture 1. As I am providing in our telegram channel Anthro Master, daily current affairs I am providing. In that current affairs which is very suitable, which is very useful for anthropology optional students, I will be making one video. I hope this will be useful for you. On the same lines, what is today's content on current affairs I will be discussing. In our Anthro Master telegram channel today I released renewed tribal Panchashil. There is a need for renewed tribal Panchashil. So the Panchashil which is given by Jawaharlal Nehru is not sufficient in 21st century. There is a requirement of renewal of Panchashil. So this can be an expected question for 2022, my dear students. Why? Because 75 years of independence, Amrit Mahotsav. So for this I will be making one video, very good video. Before that I will give you the current affairs. Everyone is very much worried about budget 2022, budget 2022. But we should also focus how this budget 2022 is useful for our anthropology students. How this budget 2022 is going to be useful for our anthropology students on these lines. On these lines, budget anthropology 2022 is today's session. What are the important aspects which are there in this budget anthropology 2022? There is a renewed scheme. There is a renewed Stand Up India scheme. There is Startup India scheme and Stand Up India scheme. Stand Up India scheme mainly for SC, ST and women. STs are there. In 2021, the Stand Up scheme was being renewed. In 2021, under SEDB, Small Industrial Development Board of India, whereby the ST loans will be provided from 10 lakhs to 1 crore rupees in 2021. And in budget 2022, what they did, earlier, if I want to put any investment into any of the startup, if I want to put investment into any of the startup, 25% contribution should be from the individual side. For example, if my investment is 1 crore, 25 lakhs should be from my contribution and 75 lakhs will be provided by the bank. But in the budget 2022, the government of India made a declaration that now the contribution will not be 25%, the contribution will be 15%. So the contribution from the individual level has been decreased from 25% to 15%. So this is a very good news for scheduled tribes. Why? Because in anthropology we will be discussing about tribals. The 15% is the individual's contribution. Means for 1 crore, 15 lakhs need to be contributed from the individual side and 85% will be contributed from the bank side. So the scheme is about the renewed stand-up scheme. 10 lakhs to 1 crore it has been increased. Second point, under budget 2022, it was 25% individual contribution, reduce it to 15%. This is the news all about. This is the first very important government scheme, current affair oriented budget 2022. Second, recent proposal that there will be 750 Ekalavya model schools. Ekalavya, 750 Ekalavya model residential schools exclusively for the tribal children. It's a very great news, mainly promoting tribal education. Mainly promoting tribal education. Improve the literacy rate among the tribals, focusing on tribal girls, and it is having dual approach. One approach is heritage based education, their culture based education. Number 2, vocational based education, imparting vocational skills. This both are being targeted under the 750 Ekalavya model residential schools. So second important thing which is there in the budget document is this 750 residential model schools under Ekalavya will be provided to tribal population. So this is a very good approach from the budget 2022. So in this way I will be providing you the current affairs, periodical basis. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel, press the bell button. All the best. Jai Hind.